So I added this to my chicken on the side. It doesn't taste like cinnamon. Not after it's been cooked. Next to the chicken, which is weird.
Now that I know cinnamon's in it, I can taste it in the chicken. But it's like a really quick and faint taste. Before the lemon pepper overthrows it.
Of course, you would say that now after you see this big ass cinnamon stick sitting in there.
That's what I'm saying. You don't notice it because it's so fast.
I actually put cinnamon on the chicken.
Man, you finna get your little
So, if you want to see what we just made, keep watching this video. So it's competition time. Alright, so I used to get these party wings from Costco. Now I was going to get some more, but of course they were out. And so what we're doing is competition. I'm only doing this one bag because there's going to be 3 of us doing the competition. My son and I guess like my godson, we doing this. And first thing first, everybody had to come in the kitchen by themselves. I requested them to clean the chicken. And then they're going to season it. We're going to stir it for a bit. And then we're going to cook it all in the same thing at the same time. Separate them and determine who has the best chicken wings. Alright, I don't know. But did you all do any kind of competition like that with your family? See who's got it, especially on game day. You know, ain't no time for messing up on the game day because everybody's coming to the house and they're doing their thing. And the competition begins. Okay, here we go. Yes, it's competition time. We have one oven fried chicken here. We have another oven fried chicken here. And we have another one right here. Wonder which one. Wonder which one's going to be the best chicken in the building. All right, let's do this. Why did Chris run back downstairs? Where you at? So you can get this chicken.
Yeah. You tasting our own first, right?
Yeah, you taste your own first. See which one you like. So, all right. So naturally, the one that's all crispy is mine. So I'm gonna start with a flat. It's hot. What made you think I think it's gonna be cold? Damn it. Oh, it's hot. Move. I gotta get a towel.
I gotta get some more my viewers.
Alright, so there we go. Here we go. This is the first one. From the oven. Now, do you think I'm going to come on here and say, oh, it's nasty? I don't think so.
Check mine out.
You gotta show it.
I'm going to admit, it's actually pretty good. It is a tad salty, though. Next.
Alright. So this is mine. You guys see that? Got a lot of different seasons on there. It's better than Jay's.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Third contestant, the best contestant, chef of 15 plus years, Macano, $2.49. This is mine. Yeah, the seasons and spices is on there real nice. You know how I do it over here in the Show Me State. Josie.
Now, y'all notice I'm the only one. Let's see. That said, how mine's tasted and that I was fair about it. At least I knew it was a bit salty. So now we're going to go back and taste each other's. So I'm going to work my way back from this direction. I'm going to try a flat. Yes, I'm going to try a flat.
Uh-oh. Got a flat of mine.
Okay, so this is the Meccano one.
Mm-hmm. Seasoned perfectly. Mm-hmm.
Y'all want the truth or a lie?
I think I joked.
That was not a joke.
Uh-oh.
I probably should drink some water first.
It's too
Okay.
spicy.
So I'm having to try to taste this more than once. And the reason being is because I taste a little pepper.
Mm.
That's all I really taste on here.
Mmm.
Next.
Damn.
Boo.
Let me get some water.
I'm gonna try one of SJ's then. Since she got jokes. Get a flat.
I was telling the truth. I wasn't lying. I was just tasting.
Let me see what this flat tastes like from the SJ.
Why everybody getting out the flats?
All she could taste was some pepper. I used 7 different herbs and spices. Okay, but here we go. Here her butter crispy.
Is it crispy?
Somewhat.
No, hater.
Mm-mm. I'm being honest.
Do you taste
It's
anything
flavorful.
on it?
It's flavorful, yeah.
Alright.
Next.
Is it lemon pepper?
You got it?
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about. You're supposed to be able
Like
to
I
tell
said,
me something
Food
on there.
expert. My hair might be crazy, but I got the good taste.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Alright, so I'm tasting Meccano's. I mean, it's cool. It's I mean,
What do you taste?
he said he got 7 herbs and spices. I only taste like pepper.
You only said that because I did.
Oh my goodness, the copier.
All right. I'm going to try again. This time I'm trying CJ's.
This one's CJ's. I'm gonna try CJ's now too.
Yeah, you know you got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff in mine.
Yeah, you do. But
I'm trying to say what stands out the most.
is it oregano or parsley? What is it? Let me see how.
It definitely smells like it got some spice on there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you used a lot of parsley, didn't you?
I use no parsley.
What's the green thing you used?
That's what is that?
Y'all?
No.
I can't tell.
Garlic herb.
That was what that was?
Garlic herb, black pepper, sea salt.
I taste a little bit of the sea salt in there.
Yes. Likewise.
So, yeah. Next.
Already graded him.
You already did the.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me see. And then I gotta eat this one. Wow. Alright.
Walk up there and tell him.
But yeah, it does. The lemon pepper was exceptional.
Crispy.
Yeah, it's not bad actually. It seemed like. Seemed like you did a little. Wait a minute, look at this. You got cinnamon sticks over here.
Oh, look at somebody noticed something. Okay. Nobody else noticed this. The cinnamon stick. Not one person tasted cinnamon stick in there. So cinnamon doesn't have to always give that strong cinnamon flavor. Don't taste cinnamon either.
I didn't even know.
I feel like
Yummy.
That's cool.
All right, let's go watch those Chiefs win. Who y'all got?
Chiefs.
Y'all better have Chiefs if you in Kansas City. Because if you ain't in Kansas City, then get in New England and have the New England Patriots.
Oh, maybe. No one is rooting for New England.
Looks like whoever's going to win that game's got to play the Rams.
Screw the Rams. They should.
As long as we make it to the Super Bowl, that's all that matters. This actually doesn't taste like eating cinnamon once it's been cooked.
It doesn't taste like eating cinnamon. It looks pretty good.
Not bad.
It's funny how each one of these little bags had so many different amounts in there. Because mine had the most in it.
You had 13.
And I picked mine last. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.
The list.
Yeah.